What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I hope you missed me. I've been just working my ass off trying to get these music videos out. Um, those that pay attention on the channel, you know that that's what I do for a living. Um, I might even post the last video I dropped in the description if y'all want to see. I'll let you guys in my life a little bit. If you're nosy enough, you can find out who I am. But anyway, without further ado, let me let you guys in and give you guys an update on my account and what's going on. So this month I've sold for 57 products, and I only need one more sale to surpass. Two more sales to surpass last month. Um, but I've got to $171 royalty, and I've definitely surpassed the royalties from last month. So that's happy. I'm happy about that. I'll probably get around 250 to something, 220 ish maybe. Um, yeah, let's get into the analytics. Mm. So I've had 2 days this month that I didn't have sales. Um, this month has definitely been more consistent than last month. Got new shirts ranking, and I feel like out of all the new products that I've um, put on from the new, design rule, I feel like still only my standard t-shirts are selling. So, um, I'm probably going to focus on still making new designs first and filling up all my design slots before I just keep adding um, different product types. But I've had 3 returns this month, more than I usually always have. I never really have returns. I kind of know what products not to post on. My royalty is a lot higher than last month, $3. Um, Definitely still want to get this raised up. I'm thinking about doing a challenge where I just put all of my shirts $20. Just how I did the 1307 challenge to be able to be eligible for a tier up, and they still haven't tiered me up. I just don't understand, but whatever. I'm waiting patiently. Um, yeah, let's look at this. See, 95% of standard shirts. It's funny because I literally just sold my first V-neck. I never fucking sell V-necks. It never happens for me. Literally, this is my first V-neck shirt I've ever sold. Um, yeah, and I sold one hoodie and the Apple case, so standard is my bread and butter. Selling a lot of men's shirts like usual. 9 women. Let's see, make sure this is covered. Um, sales. This is a Father's Day shirt. Um, it was a new shirt I posted kind of the end of Father's Day that I picked up all my other Father's Day shirts. Um, a couple sales, but this is the one that um, sold the most out of the pack. Yeah, it's most of my royalties for this month. And just in case anybody was wondering about my number one seller that I exposed, a lot of people are kind of wondering if it's still selling or if people are trying to copy me or whatever. Um, it still sold 17 times this month with me telling everybody what it is. Um, like I said, I wasn't really worried about showing you guys this because I've been on the first page for so long, and I already have, a nice amount of reviews. So, um, Not really worried about anybody trying to rip me off. Oh, whew, tired as hella early in the morning. Um, Everything else is just kind of a little bit of everything. Um, a lot of my clothing line stuff. Um, a couple Juneteenth shirts. They're still kind of selling. Um, but that's pretty much what's going on in my account. Let's go back to. Okay. So yeah, I'm just happy about, you know, it being a little bit like for the last 4 months I kind of been stuck at the same spot. So it's kind of ramping up a little bit. Hopefully I reach to at least 200 this month. Um, that's the goal, to at least get 200 at the end of the month. I feel like I haven't waited enough time to do that. So I'm happy about that. Um, I got over 600 sales now, and I still haven't hit tier 1000, which is okay because I feel like I'm getting my account ready for it and getting so many more things ranking that when I go to tier 1000, I have just so much stuff I can crank out, which is fine. So, my goal is to be tier 2000 um, before Christmas is over, or at least when Christmas is over. And I feel like that's obtainable. I really do because I killed it in Q4 and I was only on tier 100 and I sold 137 items. And I'm getting ready for Christmas really early. I suggest you do too, or if you're not doing Christmas right now, at least be loading up on your Halloween and your Thanksgiving stuff. Um, I'm just trying to kill it. Like, it's gonna be my months that's gonna change my account. It's gonna be the ones where I'm getting a shitload of design. I mean, a shitload of sales, and that's what I'm striving for. So that's the goal in that. um, yeah, drop something in the comments, man. If you guys want me to do my 1999 challenge and see if I can still keep up the same amount of sales. I don't really care if my sales drop, but we all know eventually if you want to surpass a certain level on your account, you're gonna have to raise your prices to at least $20. So, I think that's something I might do. I think that I might make that a video in the future where I just go ahead and change everything and show you guys my analytics and what happened after I changed everything to 20. But without further ado, that's all I got for today. So just make sure you guys hit that sub button, hit that like button. Um, Let me know y'all miss me and y'all need me to post more. Keep me motivated. I'm not monetized yet, so I'm not making any money off the channel. So um, your love and support will do for right now. So until next time.